Hey guys, it's Lynette. Today I'm gonna do something that I haven't done in a little while, so I know you guys are gonna be really excited. I finally did a nail art look for you guys. It's been a long time. I came out of retirement, I dusted off the cobwebs, and I created a look inspired by summer. It's really cute, and I know you guys are gonna love it. It's very easy to do, and I'm really excited because this video is actually sponsored by Sally Beauty, so you can pop on over to your local store and pick up everything that I used in this video. So let's go ahead and get right into it. All right, you guys, that is it for this look. I hope that you really enjoyed it. I can't wait to see your recreations of it, so make sure to tag me, add me on Instagram, DM me what you came up with. I can't wait to check it out. Thanks again to Sally Beauty, and I hope you guys have a really great summer. I'll see you soon.